Riflescopes are optical sighting devices mounted on rifles, allowing shooters to aim accurately over long distances. By magnifying the target, riflescopes enhance the shooter's vision and precision, enabling them to make precise shots. These devices come in various magnification levels, reticle styles, and features, catering to different shooting needs and environments. In this video, we will recommend you the 7 best riflescopes. We created this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. So, you can easily decide which is best for you. You can find the purchase link all over the products mentioned in this video down in the description below. Number 7. Swarovski Optik 5-25x52 DSP Gen 2. The Swarovski Optik 5-25x52 DSP Gen 2 automatically displays the correct aiming point and all the data you need in high resolution and in real time. Hunters no longer need to adjust the riflescope manually, making it much easier to tackle long-range shots. The aiming point is calculated based on precise distance measurement, the angle of fire, the magnification selected, air pressure, temperature, and the ballistic data for your personal firearms/ammunition combination. The DS Configurator app is used to enter the data on your firearms/ammunition combination and to configure the display. The ballistic curve and your individual display configurations are then transferred directly to the DS quickly and easily via Bluetooth. Many hunters love to experience hunting with all their senses, being present in the moment. And at the same time, they want to feel at ease in taking the right decision and placing a precise shot when the time is right. Number 6. SIG SAUER BDX Combo Kit Sierra 3 BDX. The SIG SAUER BDX Combo Kit Sierra 3 BDX delivered performance you would expect from an optic. Resolution in low and bright light was about average, and the eye box was a bit small, and as a result, head alignment was critical at high magnification. Mounted it in Leupold PPW2 rings, and the adjustments were very precise. It comes with flip-up lens covers, 0 resettable turrets, a practical bullet drop compensating reticle, and a lens cloth. This riflescope comes with a SIG SAUER 6x22 1500 laser rangefinder. With the rangefinder and the BDC-style reticle, this scope is equipped to take you to 500 yards and beyond. The rangefinder separately out to 1000 yards, and it performed flawlessly and even better than 2 other entry-level rangefinders had on hand. With the 8 internal ballistic groups in the rangefinder, you should be able to use the scope's reticle effectively with most popular big game cartridges. Number 5. ZEISS LRPS-5. The ZEISS LRPS-5 is ideally designed for long-range shooting, whether it be at targets or critters. No, it will not determine the range to the target for you like the new Swarovski scope will. However, once you know that range, you can swiftly drive the exposed turrets of this scope for windage and elevation to perfectly direct your reticle based on a ballistic solution you've created. An illuminated MIL or MOE reticle that is well suited to downrange ballistic correction is available. Image resolution was exceptional, the adjustments were perfection, and there is a 140 MOA or 40.7 MRAD of adjustment available. Like most first focal plane high magnification riflescopes, the reticle was a bit hard to see at low magnification in low light. However, the illuminated portion of the reticle will compensate in those conditions, and a throw lever is standard issue. Number 4. Leupold Mark Patrol 6 HD 1-6x24mm Riflescope. The Leupold Mark Patrol 6 HD 1-6x24mm Riflescope was the only test scope made in the USA, and it comes with a removable throw lever, flip-up lens covers, and Leupold's unique locking CDS elevation turret, which allows you to set the turret to 0 after sighting in, as well as the option to order custom dials pre-calibrated for the trajectory of your load. One of the best features of this scope is the CMR2 reticle. It features an upside-down horseshoe that's illuminated for up-close, fast-action shooting, but it also has a BDC-style vertical post calibrated out to 800 meters for a .223 rem/5.56 NATO with a 62-grain bullet at 2,810 frames per second. That said, with some math and range time, this reticle could work for other cartridges as well. It was also only one of 2 scopes that came out of the freezer usable. Number 3. EOTECH Vudu 1-10x28mm Precision Riflescope. The EOTECH Vudu 1-10x28mm Precision Riflescope costs 28% and weighs 33% more than the Leupold. But the EOTECH Vudu still has a lot going for it. Mounted in Leupold PPW2 rings, we found the 0.1 mRAD adjustments to be perfectly precise, and the scope offers 29 mRAD of elevation and 23 mRAD of windage adjustment. And while the State Route 5 mRAD reticle was a bit hard to use at low magnification, with illumination it was fantastic for both eyes open snap shooting up close or for precision work at distance. To use the full reticle, we found we needed between 5x and 6x of magnification. The Vudu is made in Japan and offered with either a MOA or MIL reticle. One of the neatest features on the Vudu is the control for the illuminated reticle. On the left of the scope saddle, there is an extended turret that contains the battery. Number 2. Vortex Crossfire 23-9x50 Straight Wall Riflescope. The Vortex Crossfire 23-9x50 Straight Wall Riflescope has been configured specifically for that purpose. It features a new ballistic drop compensating reticle that has been tuned to work with popular straight wall cartridges like the .450 Bushmaster, .350 Legend, and .45-70 Government. Resolution in low and bright light was about average. The adjustments were reasonably accurate, but the 1/4 MOA clicks were hardly audible. The eye box, especially at high magnification, was a little small. Overall, if you plan to hunt in a state where straight wall cartridges are required for deer hunting, this scope, with the specialized reticle, makes a lot of sense, and it comes with a good user manual. This scope is manufactured in China but comes with a lifetime warranty. Number 1. Primary Arms Compact PLX 1-8x24mm FFP Riflescopes. The Primary Arms Compact PLX 1-8x24mm FFP Riflescopes is part of the top-tier optics line called PLX. PLX optics meet the exacting demands of professional use, offering impeccable glass clarity and advanced features from state-of-the-art production facilities. Improving on its predecessor, the fully redesigned PLX 1-8x24mm FFP compact riflescope has a 9.28-inch OEL and weighs only 16.95 ounces. It features premium-grade Japanese ED lenses for superior light transmission, color correctness, and image clarity. This scope is capable of exceptional performance from close to long range. This 1-8x24mm PLX compact scope is equipped with the first focal plane ACSS Raptor M8 yard reticle. At 8x, the full features of the ACSS reticle become available, providing automatic ranging and bullet drop compensation to 800 yards, moving target leads, a precise center chevron aim point, and wind holds for both 5 and 10 miles per hour cross winds. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.